Did you ever go to a conference and collected a number of free pens and other kind of free small gadgets? My name is Giuseppe Conti, I'm a business school professor and the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. I will also ask you to please put the like now on the video. This will help for the algorithm. Now, indeed, we are all attracted by those free goods, and that's why we ended up, picking up, a number of these free small things whenever we have the opportunity, even if we have much better quality ones at home. There is a big difference in our mind between something which is free and something which is very cheap, even 5 cents, even if the 5 cents will not make a difference for any of us. This comes from a psychological bias, which is called loss aversion. Since we do not want to lose, then we ended up getting something for free, then we are sure that we are not going to lose. But the reality is quite different. And this attraction for free goods and services open up the opportunity for influencing and manipulation attempts. Let me give you a couple of influencing applications. The first thing that you can do, offer a free talk, a free service, a free trials in order to start a relationship with a new customer. Second idea, if you have a product that is very comparable to many others, then one of the ways to differentiate yourself is to include on top a small gadget, and this will give you the edge. For instance, let's say that you're selling vitamins. Then you may say, and with my vitamins, you also get a free booklet that outlines the vitamins that are available in daily food. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.